Yeah, gompieno ke dira ke bula home ke so I'll to go on mo teng ta go tsenya mo teng eh ke home ke laptop eh Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Kuma. If you're new here and if you're a returning subscriber, what it is, girl? What's up? Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. So today we're gonna be doing an exciting video. We're gonna be unboxing our plug tech order. Ba, 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 ba. Yep, so I ordered a MacBook and a Samsung Watch from Plug Tech. So let us get to it, girl. Where should I put it? Okay. One thing about my colleagues, they will come back. What's going on? Okay. So I ordered on the 28th of March and it arrived on Saturday. Saturday ne holiday guy. Oh, Saturday ne holiday 4. So ke orderile ka di 28 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. It's already 8 days. Damn. Yes, anyway, it's already 8 days. So this is what I ordered. Okay, I go view your order so that I can show you guys. I downloaded the app by the way on my phone. So I'm ordering on the app, not on the website. And then let me show you the order summary. Wabana, the price of the two things was like 7.245 I get. And then the shipping was 140.66 and then duties is 104.49 and then taxes including BRS and everybody ke 1.207. So now this 8,008.6 that I paid, it's for everything. One understand? Yes, it's for everything included. Night, anyway, yes, it took 8 days, like I said. So let us unbox and see what's inside my box. Anyway, don't mind my hair and my nails looking crusty. I just could not wait. So I wanted to share my experience with Plug Tech that really Plug Tech delivers to Botswana. Guys, let's order. I get call me. I'll order for you, okay? I'm a good girl like that. Let's unbox. Let's hope this battery won't die on me because it's on 14%. And one thing about my phone, it will die. So this is the box. I'm assuming this is my laptop. I don't know if you can see. It's a Imagine a kid. Oh, it's kind of heavy. It's cute. No way. Saving the planet one device at a time. I got a bag. Oh, oh. Is this? macOS contains a built-in screen reader called VoiceOver. Okay, macOS. Oh, thank you, macOS. Yo. I got a. Is it an AirTag? Okay, not an. I don't know what this is anyway. Erra. Yes. I'm too excited, girl. I'm too excited. For the Samsung Watch, I hope it's compatible with my phone. But good to hope it's compatible. So how do you switch it on? Ah, it doesn't have battery. How do I remove this thing? Hmm? It's okay. Me too. I'm filming a YouTube video. How about that one? No. Whose phone is that? It's mine. I'm telling you. Samsung wireless charger. Mm-hmm. Why is it charged? Why is it not charging? So I'll give you guys my full review after I see if it's charging or not. And also after I know what this is. Oh no, it's a pop socket. Why did I think it was an AirTag? Anyways, guys, I'll give you a full review of this later. It's on. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's literally the following day, and yeah, another thing, this thing that they gave me is not working. So I'll tell you guys how it went, because I want to drop them an email to tell them that this thing is not working. So I don't know how they're gonna respond. If they're gonna get back to me before I post this video, I'll put my 2 cents. But for now, this thing that they gave me is not working, so I'm using my old adapter to charge this MacBook, I guess. Anyway, I stopped by Aptech to get a mouse because this thing, yeah, Apple, I don't know, I don't think I like it. Yeah, MacBook, I don't think I'm a fan. So I got a mouse, and it was 300 pula from Aptech. So yeah, here's the mouse. It's a Logitech mouse, the Bluetooth mouse that does not have a dongle. And yeah, so let us open and see what can it be. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. This video is gonna be longer than I anticipated. Oh, I'm not quite sure if that thing was still filming. So anyway, wait, okay. I didn't like it really. So next time I oh Samsung watch. Like, I never did. Ugh, girl. Hey, the Samsung watch, guys. The Samsung watch is not compatible with my.
Let me tell you something. All right. Let me tell you something. Let me tell you something.
I know you are judging me already. But in my defense, Iboni, my other friend called Terence, he uses an iPhone and he has a Samsung watch. So I thought, okay, 3 plus 3 is 16. But Kuma, why didn't you Google? Cha, I don't know, girl. I don't know. But it's okay. If I did a damage control, I'm probably gonna force my brother to buy it. But I'm gonna force my brother to buy that watch so that he doesn't have a choice. So yeah. Anyway, that's my overall review of plug tech. Overall rating, I'll give them like a 7 out of 10 because this thing doesn't work. Why doesn't it work? Why I'm trying to understand if you can remove this thing. You can't remove it. Why doesn't this thing work? So anyway, before I upload this video, I'll try to get a hold of them and see if they can replace it or whatever. I guess. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. Bye. Anyway, before I go, know that you are a blessing and other people are blessed to have you in their lives, babes. And I hope you are loving and kind to somebody else because you do not know what they're going through. Anyway, keep on keeping on. Bye. Did I forget to say please like, share, comment, subscribe, and become a part of the family? Yeah. Anyway, bye for real.